Okay, guys, today's trades, three of them, one loss, two winners. So I was trying something different today. So I took the first trade on a 5 minute fair value gap, and it would have been a good trade. I'll see if I can switch over to the five. Yeah, so it would have been here in this fair value gap to go to run back higher, maybe to VWAP or to the 21 EMA. But it just wicked right through the fair value gap and stopped me out. So that was my first loss. I think it was for 350. Um, Switch back to the one where I did a little better. It seems like I can keep tighter stops. So here was a sweep of this swing low right here. This and there was a divergence with NQ. So, and it was at the right time, right? 30 minute or the 50 minute mark of the hour. So I took that trade as it closed back above the 21 EMA and kept my stop pretty tight because Powell's fixing to testify at 10 o'clock, so really wasn't confident that the move would play out, but it did if I would have just stayed. But got a little bit back there and waited till over here at 10:50 and had a divergence with NQ. NQ swept. ES did not sweep. It gave a divergence. So I waited for a close above the 21 EMA, which was right here, entered and exited here because it just started. It really needed to pick up some speed and act like it wanted to go take out this high, and it didn't. And NQ was doing the same thing. It was just kind of started back and forth and like it was going to pause. And I was back green on the day with this trade, so I just moved my stop up, took my little bit of profit, and I want to have a green day and I'll feel better about myself. Now, as you can see, look what it did. It turned right around and went back down. So, here's the third trade layout. It's swept a sweep on NQ with a ES divergence. It's in the 50 time. NQ swept below the 21 EMA. I entered at a green candle close above the 21 EMA because I was going long. I really wanted this, but I just wasn't comfortable because Powell's testifying right here. So if Powell's testifying, there's no telling what the price may or may not do. So the best thing to do is keep tight trailing stops and just take your little bit of profit and get out and move to break even as quickly as possible and up, you know, up to make a little bit of money. As usual, this is an eval. This is not live money. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just me trying to pass a 50K eval on Apex. And this is how I'm trying to do it. As you can see, I'm looking for, except for that 5 minute trade where I was trying something different, stupid. But I'm looking for sweeps, preferably with a divergence. That's even better. And I'm looking for them around these 30 and 50 minute marks to go long or short. Sometimes they happen before that, and I just miss them. Like you can see right here. Here's a good sweep. Closes back up above the 21 EMA. I didn't really like it because it was also had VWAP right here, so it could have just went to VWAP and turned right back around. You have this giant candle. So it's hard to say if it was going to be bullish or bearish today because of this. But this is a huge gap from open up to where we were at close yesterday. So This gray or this brown looking area right here is the new week opening gap for this week. This is a daily opening gap yesterday. Purple line is 21 EMA. Blue is VWAP. And as usual, if you have any questions, put them in the comments. If I can answer them, I will. Uh, Hopefully, you'll find something you can use out of this. And if so, like and subscribe to this page if you want to. If not, don't. Doesn't matter. It's just me trying to keep myself accountable to myself, basically. So, anyway, thanks for listening. Have a good day.